Welcome to today's class. So on the board here, we have some exponential problems that we're going to be solving together. Join me as we solve these problems. So question 1 here says that 4 raised to the power of x minus 7 into 2 raised to the power of x minus 8 equal to 0. And the second one says 2 raised to the power of x plus 1 minus 9 into 2 raised to the power of x plus 4 equal to 0. Solution. Okay, what do we do? 4 raised to the power of x minus 7 into 2 raised to the power of x minus 8 equal to 0. Okay, take note, 4 can also be written as 2 raised to the power of 2 all raised to the power of x minus 7 into 2 raised to the power of x minus 8 equal to 0. Okay, now if you take note, because we want to write this in this form, 2 raised to the power of x, so there's nothing wrong with us bringing x inside and taking 2 outside, because at the end of the day, 2 raised to the power of 2 into all raised to the power of x can also be 2 raised to the power of x into 2, that is all raised to the power of 2, is the same thing. So let's move. So from here we can decide to bring the x inside and we bring the 2 outside. So on that note, you realize we have 2 raised to the power of x here and we have 2 raised to the power of x. So there's nothing wrong with us saying that let 2 raised to the power of x be equal to y. So let 2 raised to the power of x be equal to y. Having said that, wherever we see 2 raised to the power of x, we put y. So we have y now raised to the power of 2 minus 7y minus 8 all equal to 0. So this right here is a quadratic equation. So how do we solve this quadratic equation? As a lot of you already know. So basically what we're going to be doing is to look for two numbers that when you multiply them you have minus 8. When you add or subtract you have minus 7. So 8 times 1 is 8. And then when you say minus 8 plus 1 is minus 7. So in place of minus 7y, we'll simply write minus 8y plus y. So this is what I mean. Y square here remains. So in place of this, we'll say minus 8y plus y minus 8 is equal to 0. Because at the end of the day, minus 8y plus y is still minus 7y. So we can put a bracket here, put another bracket here. So when we come here, there's a y here, there's a y here, we can factor out y. So we have y into y minus 8 plus the y minus 8 as it were here equal to 0. So what do? We do this y plus 1 into y minus 8 is equal to 0. Because when you expand this, you get this. So this will now be y plus 1 equal to 0, comma, y minus 8 equal to 0. So from here, we'll now have that y is equal to minus 1 or y is equal to 8. So substituting the value of y into 2x, we now have that 2 raised to the power of x is equal to y, which is equal to what? 8, right? So in place of 8, we can put it in terms of 2. That is 2 raised to the power of 3. So we can say 2 raised to the power of x is equal to 2 raised to the power of 3. And then because the bases are the same, we clearly have that x is equal to 3. We cannot use minus 1 because it doesn't work here. If we bring minus 1 here, then obviously there will be no solution at this point. So basically, the possible solution that can be used in place of y here is 8. So when we bring the 8, like you have obviously seen, we equate it, write it in terms of 2, equate the powers, and then we clearly see that x is equal to 3. Now, I want you to use the same procedure to solve the second question here. Do not forget to give me your answer on the comment section. I want to see your answers, and even while you're doing that, feel free to make your comments. Help me to share, help me to like, and also do not forget to follow.